Ah, the Victorian era. A time of elegance, corsets, and skincare routines that were equal parts fascinating and slightly terrifying. Back then, beauty wasn't just a goal, it was a full-time job. Women didn't have Sephora or TikTok skinfluencers, but they did have lemons, oatmeal, and a slightly worrying obsession with arsenic face creams. Don't worry, I'm not suggesting we slather poison on our faces today. I like you all too much for that. But what if I told you there are a few safe Victorian skincare tips that are actually brilliant and can be done right at home? The Victorian beauty mindset. Before we start slathering honey on our faces, it's important to understand the Victorian idea of beauty. In the mid to late 1800s, pale, delicate skin was the ultimate status symbol. A tan meant manual labor. Porcelain skin meant leisure and refinement. Makeup was considered improper for respectable women. Instead, skincare was their makeup. Smooth skin, naturally flushed cheeks, and soft lips were the goal. Victorian beauty books often used romantic metaphors. One 1870s guide described perfect skin as the petal of the magnolia kissed by the morning dew. Today we just call it glowy skin. The cleansing ritual. Forget foaming cleansers. Many Victorian women washed their faces with milk and rosewater. The lactic acid in milk acted as a gentle exfoliant, and rosewater toned and soothed the skin. Modern hack: mix unsweetened milk with a splash of rosewater. Apply with a cotton pad or soft cloth. Rinse with lukewarm water. It's basically the OG milky cleanser, and it comes without a 40-pound price tag. Some Victorian women even used bread soaked in milk as a gentle scrub. So yes, technically they were doing carb-based exfoliation before it was cool. The cold water splash. Cold water was the Victorian equivalent of caffeine. Women would dunk their faces into cold water every morning to tighten the skin and reduce puffiness. Modern hack: fill a bowl with cold water and a few ice cubes. Dunk your face for 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Congratulations! You've just done the 1800s version of a $200 celebrity cryofacial. The glow mask. For that romantic, soft glow, Victorian ladies loved using honey and oatmeal masks. Honey is antibacterial, oatmeal is soothing, and the combo left their skin soft enough to make Mr. Darcy propose. Modern hack: 1 tablespoon honey plus 1 tablespoon finely ground oats. Add a splash of warm water to make a paste. Apply for 10 minutes. Rinse gently. Bonus: you can also eat the leftovers. Because unlike some of their other skincare, this won't send you to the doctor. The Secret Lip Balm. Lip gloss in the 1800s? Nope. But Victorian women made their own balms with beeswax and almond oil. It kept lips soft, even during freezing English winters. Modern hack: melt 1 teaspoon beeswax plus 2 teaspoons almond oil. Optional: add a drop of vanilla extract for a sweet scent. Store in a small tin. You've basically made an artisanal lip balm for 50 pence. Take that. Overpriced luxury brands. Nighttime skincare, the Glycerin Trick. Victorian women swore by glycerin mixed with rosewater as a night treatment to keep skin soft. Modern hack: mix 1 part glycerin with 3 parts rosewater. Apply a thin layer before bed. Wake up with the baby soft skin of a Jane Austen heroine. Warning: glycerin attracts moisture, so don't use it in very dry air unless you seal it in with a moisturizer. Beauty sleep Victorian style. Victorian women took beauty sleep very seriously. They'd sleep on silk or fine linen to avoid wrinkles, and sometimes even wore soft cotton gloves and socks at night after moisturizing. Modern hack: invest in a silk pillowcase. Apply hand cream and wear cotton gloves before bed for smoother hands. Sure, it might feel like you're going to bed in a period drama, but your skin will thank you. Herbal Steam for velvety skin. Victorians loved herbal steams with chamomile, rosemary, or lavender to purify the complexion. Modern at-home version: Boil water, pour into a heat-safe bowl, add herbs or essential oils, lean over with a towel draped over your head, and steam for 5 to 10 minutes. Lemon juice brightening rinse. Victorians loved pale, even skin, and lemon juice was their go-to for brightening. Unfortunately, they didn't know about sun sensitivity, so many ended up with burns. Modern at-home version, safe way. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 3 tablespoons of water and use it as a quick rinse in the evening, never before sun exposure. Back then, the goal was a noble pale. Now, we just want healthy glow. Cold cream, the makeup melter. Cold cream was a Victorian essential for removing makeup and moisturizing. The classic recipe included beeswax, almond oil, and rosewater, modern at-home version. Melt 2 tablespoons beeswax with 1/2 cup almond oil over low heat. Remove from heat, then blend in 2 tablespoons rosewater until creamy. Store in a clean jar. Cold cream was the makeup remover before micellar water existed. Honestly, it's still luxurious, and it makes you feel like a fancy lady. Cucumber juice for skin bleaching. Another pantry gem? Cucumber juice. They believed it bleached freckles and evened skin tone, which, okay, is more myth than fact. But cucumber water is hydrating and calming. Modern hack. Blend cucumber, strain the juice, and dab it on like a cooling serum. Or, make a spa water and drink it while you binge watch historical dramas. Bread poultice for puffy eyes. They'd soak soft bread in milk, place it over tired eyes, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Sounds silly, but the cold milk helps with puffiness. Plus, you can eat the bread afterward if you're feeling rebellious. Egg white skin tightener. A thin layer of whipped egg white was the original pore primer. It dries tight, smooths the skin, and gives a temporary lift. Just remember to rinse before you scare your pets. Lemon elbows. Yes, elbows. Victorians hated dark, rough elbows, so they'd rub them with half a lemon daily. The citric acid gently exfoliates, and suddenly you've got elbow confidence. So, there you have it. The safe Victorian skincare secrets you can actually try at home. No arsenic, no lead powders, and no fainting couches required. Next time someone asks about your glowing skin, just say, oh, it's my 19th century routine. And then sip your cucumber water dramatically. If you enjoyed this time travel beauty trip, give this video a like, subscribe for more historical glow-ups, and tell me in the comments which of these Victorian tricks you're brave enough to try.